Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. So you guys, I'm so excited to share with you a new hair gummy that I'm going to try. But before I get into it, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you be a part of this Tube Nation. Hit that bell's notification and give this video a big thumbs up. So the purpose of me starting this video out was showing you guys my hair. This is just to show you that these are brand new braids that I have installed in my hair. So no new growth at this time. So by the thumbnail, I'm sure you guys already know what this video is about. It's about this Nature's Choice hair vitamins or hair gummies for healthier hair. So a little bit about this product. Hair gummy vitamins. Hair gummies provide nutrition to help support a foundation for longer, stronger, more beautiful looking hair. With these biotin gummies, you don't need to worry about swallowing capsules or dealing with the negative side effects such as digestive upsets. Remember, these gummies help support hair growth with biotin and vitamin E and C. Okay, this is also going to help for longer, stronger, beautiful looking hair and nails. So as you guys can see, these gummies do look like little bear gummies. I love them. I'm actually going to start taking them today. A little bit about biotin. It supports healthy hair growth. Vitamin A moisturizes for luxurious locks. And folic acid, which supports cells responsible for hair, skin, and nail growth. You guys, these gummies taste absolutely delicious. They have like a raspberry type taste to them. Per the directions, you are to take 2 per day. I love the top on this bottle because it is child proof. Now, if you have a child that can read, they can read to see how to open this bottle. So I still say keep something like this out of reach of children. Okay. So 60 gummies come in the bottle. So really this is a 30-day supply. So I'm definitely going to have these sprays in for a month or two, so you guys will definitely be able to see those results. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.